One thing that I need to figure out, because I've never heard of titanarmy before. Is titanarmy any good? Is this a viable option? Here we are. Here's the monitor. It's here. We're going to get this thing open, take a look at it, see if it's cool. Here we go. Okay, well, they sent me what they said they were going to send me. So far, so good. 31.5 inch monitor. Ah! She's heavy. A power cable. Sick. This would appear to be a display port. What is this, a user manual? Cringe. I don't need that. Let me make something very clear. I don't need the instructions until it gets to the point where I've gone way too far, and then I need the instructions. Until then, you keep those instructions away from me. And then we have another part of the stand. You can do some serious damage with this thing. Yeah. Yeah. All right. So we got the what is that thing called again? Oh my God. The stand? Stand. Yeah. Wow. I couldn't think of the word stand. Anyways, so let's set it down on the desk and see how big this is compared to my my 27 inch. Look at this. It's freaking massive. Literally, just like the low taper fade meme is still massive. Look at this. 32 inch. Look at that thing, dude. Look at how tiny that is. Look. I think that's a 24.5 Samsung, and that's a 27 inch Acer. This one is curved. Look at that, dude. I don't think that my PC will ever run this. Now, to be clear, this is a 31.5 inch 1440p 240 hertz monitor. All right, it's got compatibility with AMD and NVIDIA GPUs as well as any consoles. It's got adaptive sync and it helps with screen tearing in your gaming, so pretty important. 3000:1 contrast ratio. It's got HDR 400. I thought the HDR was pretty cool. I've also never had an HDR monitor. The colors are really bright. I have an HDR TV and I love it. If I have HDR off, it looks horrible. It's also got a 1500R curvature. It's a real nice curve. I mean, because of how big it is, it doesn't seem that aggressive, but if you look at it from the top down, it's a pretty aggressive curve. I like it though. I like curved monitors. So it's an LCD panel. It's not really like a QLED or anything, but this might be like the nicest LCD that I've seen in a while. It also has PIP or picture-in-picture, so you can have two devices connected to the monitor at the same time. You can have one thing on the right side and one thing on the left side of the screen, or you can do picture-in-picture where you have one thing full screen and another thing kind of in like a little tiny window on the side. Whoa. That looks freaking sick. My eyes. Dude, I've never seen a 1440p monitor. I've literally only had 1080p.
Evo harvesters are online.
Look at how pretty that is, though. Wow. I see a door open. Ooh, shouldn't have done that. Should not have done that. Whoa. Hee. Hey buddy, how you doing? Got him. Whoa, hey, how you doing? Wow, my aim is so good. It's crazy. Isn't that pretty though? Apex at 1440, 32 inches. That's the move. Okay, so final thoughts on the titanarmy C32C1S. This thing's awesome, man. $335.99. It's actually on sale right now from $375, which is a pretty competitive price for a 1440p monitor at 240 hertz, especially at this size. Thank you so much, titanarmy, for sending me this thing. It's an absolute demon. So to answer your question, is titanarmy any good? Yeah, they're freaking sick. Probably already used this monitor for like a good 4 or 5 hours, and I didn't see any problems with it. I can't even give it a low score. I'm literally going to give it a 10 out of 10 again. And don't forget, if you want to use this thing or you want to buy something on titanarmy, make sure to use code Noodle32. Noodle32, you get $18.50 off. I know, it's very specific. Oh, also, if you like this video, you'll probably like this playlist of tech review videos, or this video right here. Okay, bye.